It wasn't just about designing a new camera, it was about completely transforming the way that we monitor these assets globally. There are hundreds of thousands of kilometres of electrified rail globally. If critical incidents happen, we have seconds before they cause issues like dewirements, causing widespread disruption and around £1.5 million of cost to the UK economy each time. But PANDAS-V helps to keep these services running smoothly and safely. PANDAS-V combines a roof-mounted camera with a synchronised wireless accelerometer.
The system is installed on the roof of the train. The entire analytics, communication and edge processing is done entirely within the camera. We do not require any additional space inside the train. That allows us to send instantaneous reports within seconds of occurrence, instead of weeks or months later.
One of the specific characteristics that sets PANDAS apart is its self-cleaning lens that allows the system to operate with zero maintenance for up to 30 years.
Well, the PANDAS technology is really special. And there are very few environments I can envisage quite as extreme as PANDAS Technologies environment. Constantly in the zone of electromagnetic interference from the high voltage and surrounded by the carbon dust that's created from the contacts between the pantograph and the overhead lines. And PANDAS technology has given the maintainers and the train operators an incredibly valuable tool to make risk-based informed decisions and providing invaluable information for the safety of the nation's railways.